You really cracked.
Oh, hey there.
You really cracked the windshield. Wow. Okay.
Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man.
You. Let me see that. Let me see that. Let me see that.
Hey, man. Hey, that's my windshield, man.
Welcome back to another musty vlog. Y'all looking. Tell 'em, man.
Y'all looking dusty.
All right, what are we doing, man? I wanna.
Musty last time. Or
Yeah,
dusty?
you said musty. You kind of ruined it, but I like it. We're changing it up. They were musty.
I think I did say dusty, dude.
No, you said musty.
Dust.
Well, I will literally play the video right now.
Dust.
What are we doing today, man?
Rare parts, brother.
Rare parts, dude.
So, since we're all about that Euro BMW gang, I figured I'd go ahead and get a part that is much more Japanese style because
Ooh.
that's that stuff I do.
You got a really long shift knob, dude.
Oh, dude.
Oh, dude.
This is a Street Track Life roof spoiler for.
Dude, you go to the track, dude?
It's my life.
All right, so
like a real dingus with that yellow tape.
I don't want them to know where I work at. You know what I'm saying?
Sorry, guys, for eating on the vlog again.
All right, so ooh, wow, fancy boy.
So you might notice, like, wow, John,
That fitment's a little musty, dude.
it is musty, just like y'all. You're probably asking yourself, well, dude, can I buy a Street Track Life pre-painted wing? The answer is, fuck no, dude, you done. God, why did I go so hard on y'all? Try that again. You're probably asking yourself, can I get that pre-painted to match the color of my car? No, you peasant, you can't. You gotta take it to a paint shop, like I've done. And I had a paint match already, and now it just needs to go on. So.
Whoa, dude, you took it to a shop, dude?
Dude.
How do you install this? I don't.
So, I don't know how you're supposed to install it, but I know how we're going to install it. Is that what you meant to ask? Is that what you were asking?
Sure, that is a new question.
So, we're gonna take this stuff right here.
Hell.
Don't even know what color it is, don't know if it's gonna work, but we bought it, and we're gonna try it.
That's a great idea. I'm with that.
Normally, I would use like 3M windshield adhesive for those who actually care and want to do this. That stuff's really strong and it's weatherproof. And
But the problem is his fitment's a little musty. You got to pull the edges out a little bit, and I'm concerned that shit's not gonna hold.
Don't do it. No, that's not good.
All right, let's slap it on, dude. Go get your gun, dude.
we're just gonna smash some glue in there and we're gonna get it in there.
Also, Don, you're looking a little musty,
I'm
dude.
looking like our viewers right now, man. No,
Yeah, this is when you don't subscribe. All right.
That's what you look like.
This is when you subscribe,
With your
and this is what you look like with notifications turned on. All right. Before we get to the super complicated boys up in the rear, we're gonna fix that mustiness. Shoot, brother. It's a pretty good seal job. Honestly, this looks like a windshield that's subscribed with notifications on, dude. All right, now let's get to the super. This is what this is what I think is not gonna work so much. So we just decided.
It says 8 times stronger though. So.
It does indeed say 8 times stronger. But anyways, we're gonna fill this crack. We're just gonna like refill the crap out of it, shove that thing inside, wipe the excess, call it a day. Yeah? All you wanna do is break that. You might wanna be a little faster with that. I feel like this is already dry and hardened on this side.
I can't go any faster.
I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass.
Pretty sure this is the dumbest decision I've ever made. Oh my god.
Why did you want this? This is. Oh god,
I should have found a different way, like probably mount tabs, make fiberglass tabs on the side, because this thing's fucking stupid. And doing it with this epoxy is an even worse idea than trying to fit it.
This is what happens when you want to look hot, boy. Your car was perfectly fine. What's happening?
Stupid ass idea, dude.
What the?
I'm over it. Quitting. Throwing the wing away. If anyone wants to, you'll find it in the dumpster.
You're so mad. Oh my gosh. All right.
I don't know why I'm mad. Like,
This isn't the video. All right. We still got more stuff to do. Look what Don got. Wah! Don got a really cool steering wheel, man. All right. And so we're gonna install that next, but don't be sad. Oh my god. I thought you were gonna check. You do care. Nah. This man's right
I
here.
lost my keys, dude.
Dude.
And George found them.
And to install a steering wheel, you need your key because it like unlocks it and you gotta like turn it and whatnot.
And to slide tomorrow, you need your
Yeah.
keys. Step 1, have George work on your car for you. Sit back, relax, and don't do shit.
Step 2, make sure you're nice and greasy and slimy and musty because
Oh, they're musty.
you're gonna want to get a T25 Torx and undo these Johnny. First put in the key, turn the wheel sideways because the screws are on the sides.
So you need enough room to access them up there.
Yeah, mate.
And you're gonna take your Torx and you're gonna torque them, untorque them, I should say.
Okay.
And then your steering wheel's gonna pop apart.
All right.
And now we're gonna have to do some clips for the airbag. So that one should just pull off.
You want to yank this?
We should probably undo the battery.
You want to
Let's undo the battery.
You want to yank this as hard as you can with the battery connected, aiming at your nuts.
Oh my god.
All right. So
These are pretty easy.
the next step is you make Don work on his own fucking car. The little airbag sensor, whoop, whoop, it may feel a little hard and it may feel like it's gonna explode on you. That's fine. A little ground, whoop, whoop, comes out. Then you take that off.
And then we're gonna take this guy off, and
Yeah.
I think it's like a.
What size is that center, Johnny?
This is a 16.
This is a 16.
Make sure your gun can't reach, and then before you take it off all the way.
No, it doesn't work like that for BMWs.
Are you sure?
Yes. Like, you didn't have to do all that. It's BMWs or... Next, you take off that.
Oh, yeah.
Pop that off. You unhook it from here. You want to cut that.
No,
Tell-
you do use it. You undo these little ones. Yeah, you reuse this.
No, how? Your
No,
hub.
trust me. Because it bolts into the short hub.
All right, little Johnnies are T10s.
They might even be Allens, but oh, they're not torqued much at all.
You want to make sure you're in a rush and potentially screw this all up because Don lost his keys. Dude.
It's wasted so much time.
Yeah, it's all right though, man. You know, it's not like we need to go drifting and I need to prep my car for tomorrow.
It's not like we have to get up at like 5 a.m. or anything. Put these somewhere safe and
Your
then
shift boot.
and then lose them.
Make sure they go in that little hole, that little tear right there.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
Unplug it from right here.
Oh, there's one that's still stuck on. I forgot. So don't forget the one that's still stuck on.
Yeah.
Yep, it's a T10.
Is that a ground? It is. That is a blue ground.
Okay. So I pulled all the wires through. Ground, power for the other side. So these two are for horn. These two are for airbag. This is a power and a ground. This has a resistor, I believe, on it, and it measures the resistance and it makes it so your airbag light doesn't turn on. I could be totally wrong, but if you wanted the light to not be on, you need a resistor on it. So we're not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna see if I can just tuck it down here because I don't really feel like cutting it and having a loose wire, but chances are that probably won't even work. And then I'll hook up the horn later. I'm not gonna worry about it since we're in a rush.
Go bigger. Is this, I don't know, this seems like really, really odd that you have to like...
It's like a loose butthole to me.
And this is all because Don wants to keep the self, like when you're turning, when you have your turn signal on, and as you're turning the wheel and it turns back, it'll self-click. What's this thing called again?
Clock spring.
Yeah, clock spring, fancy boys. I don't know. Don't be like Don.
I am not patient today, so.
I guess that's correct.
That's enough torque specs.
Yeah, that's. Well, how many Ooga-Doogas was that, man?
I think that was 3. Count them, 3.
Make sure. So we had the wheel completely turned like to the 9 o'clock position, and so we set up the hub that way so the steering wheel installs like this. So when we turn the wheel straight back, hopefully the wheel will be straight or close enough.
Judging by how it's lining up right now, I think it'll be perfect.
All right, man. She a little rough around the edges, but
dirty.
it works. A little dirty, but
Dirty?
time crunch like always.
Dude, and like Fridays are not good days for us.
Yeah, no, seriously.
We've never had good luck on a Friday. We only have one light right now, and it's getting very late because I lost my keys, as you saw. At any rate, thanks for watching. I know this video might not have been as high quality as a lot of our others, but
it's alright, man. YouTubers, it's ups and downs.
upload either way.
Although we have like not uploaded a lot of stuff we recorded because
We've had a string of bad luck with our vlogging lately, and sorry if it's coming out on the quality. Oh, and it just continues.
I'm nervous.
Lights, battery's gonna die, and then we're really gonna be in the dark.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends. Tell the friends, man.
Hey, you got friends in there?
Thanks for watching.